Part 5. Open SolidWorks. Open New Document. And go to Sketch and select one of the plane and then select Sketch. Let me change the background to be more attractive. Now let's come to the sketch. First of all, we have to draw this center line for our object. So go to Line command and select midline. Or you can directly select the center line. Now draw this line on this center point up to certain distance. Press Escape. Now to make construction line, right click on the line and then click on this construction geometry like this. Now again come to the sketch and look at the rectangle. We are going to draw this by 100 into 200. So select the center rectangle and draw on this center point. Now go to Smart Dimensions and give the values of width 100 and length 200. Okay, done. Let's come to next, in which we have to extrude this rectangle up to 30. So go to Features and select this Extrude Boss/Base command. Give the value of 30. Click OK. Look, our first step to draw the rectangle is done. Now look at the sketch. We want to chamfer the one side of rectangle up to 10 into 45 degree. Like this, and like this. So come here to the fillet option and here you see the chamfer option, so select this. Now here in this blue box it is asking to select that items which you want to chamfer. So I want to chamfer these edges, so I select it, and look, all these 4 edges are selected in the blue box. Now here give the value of 10 because we want it chamfer up to 10. And the degree is 45. Click OK. Look, how is it? It is done. Now let's come to the next part. We draw this circle up to distance of 25 from this left side. So select this face and click on Sketch. Make it perpendicular to draw it easily. Now before going to draw must choose a center line for circle for perfect dimension. So again select midline and draw a line on the center point up to certain distance. And make it construction. Now select a center line circle and draw a random circle on this center line. The diameter of the circle is 15. So go to Smart Dimensions and give the diameter of 15. Now also distance from this side to circle center point, which is 25. Now we have to draw another second circle of diameter 30 at a distance of 25 plus 50, which is equal to 75. So select again the circle and draw a random circle. Now give the diameter of 30. And the distance from this center point up to this side is 75. Now here again to draw another third circle of diameter 45 at a distance of 25 plus 50 plus 75, which is equal to 150. So select again the circle and draw a random circle. Now give the diameter of 45. And the distance from this center point up to this side is 150. The dimensions are done. So now we want to extrude cut these circles. So go to Features and select this Extruded Cut. And cut it through all. Now last step is to chamfer these circles like this. and chamfer it up to 5 into 45 degree. So come here and select this chamfer option. And select this edge. This edge. And this edge. Give the value of 5. At 45 degree. And click OK. Looks, our object is done and it looks very cool. Let me change its background and change its color. See how is it? Answer me in the comment section. Thanks. See you in the next video.